Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will claim our Web3 passport through Galaxy Passport. As you know, Project Galaxy changed its name to Galaxy a while ago. Now we will mint our Galaxy Passport to access all of its features. You can see all the features here. Owning access control. You are in total control of your data. You can choose to share it with third parties or revoke it as you see fit. Convenience. You only have to verify once to use your Galaxy Passport across Web3 applications. You can use it for compliance processes or to simply prove yourself as a verified individual. Anonymous and secure. Your identity information will be encrypted with your password. This data is never stored in plain text and will not be accessible by anyone, including Galaxy, without your explicit permission. Today we will need to verify our identity and we will use MetaMask to connect. So if you don't have a MetaMask wallet or if you don't know how to use it, you can check out our MetaMask tutorial video from the cards. And you will find the website link in the description box below. Now let's click on Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. After choosing MetaMask, let's click on Mint Now. After choosing MetaMask, we're gonna have to add Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask. So to do that, click on this. So the first transaction is gonna add Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask. So approve this. And the second one will switch from Ethereum mainnet to BNB chain. So we're gonna have to click on Switch Network. And now let's click on Mint Now. We have to type down an email and they're gonna send a verification code. So enter a valid email and then type down your verification code. So as you can see, I typed down my verification code and now let's click on verify and sign the transaction. Verify your identity doc. We need you to upload official documents. Please make sure they are with you before we start. Save your identity data. Enter a password to store your identity file encrypted. And the last step will be mint your Galaxy Passport NFT. Mint a unique, non-transferable NFT that represents your identity. So after reading all of this, click on Please read our privacy policy and terms of service, then click on Continue. Again, sign the transaction. So now, as I said, we're gonna have to begin verifying. So click on Begin Verifying. First, you're gonna have to choose what country is your government ID from. And now you're gonna have to choose either your driver's license, your national ID, or your passport to verify. So let's choose passport. So you're gonna have to take a clear photo of your entire passport portrait page. You can use your laptop's camera to do that, but I recommend taking the photo on your mobile phone and then uploading it on your computer. You can also click on Continue on another device to take the photos with your phone. You will see this screen after you upload your photo. And after verifying your documents, you're gonna have to type down a password to secure your account and store your identity file encrypted. And the last step will be to mint your Galaxy Passport NFT. And as you can see here, normally the ID verification fee is $5, but it's free for first 100,000 users. You'll only have to pay for the gas fee and you will get your Galaxy Passport. Now I will show you my Galaxy Passport. As you can see, after you verify your documents, type down a password and mint your Galaxy Passport, this is how we're gonna see. Click on Galaxy ID, then click on your profile. When you scroll down, you will be able to see your Galaxy Passport here. So as I said, this is completely free. For now, you'll just have to pay for the transaction fees. If you have any questions, you can ask us in the comment section below. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, crypto memes, breaking news, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So definitely follow our Instagram too. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.